Ladies and gentlemen, today is an exciting day because I finally registered my NB Miata. So today is going to be the first drive in that car on the road for real, and we're going to see how it does. Now, it does still need some things, but it's came a really long way, and it's in much better shape than it was when I got it. So I'm going to show you around that, and then we'll take it for a drive. Before we do that though, I want to let you guys know that I just released this new t-shirt design to commemorate Too Broke to Boosted over here, my Boosted Turbo NA. So if you're interested in that, I have those linked down below. Without further ado, let's check this NB out and then take it for a drive. So the exterior of this car is pretty much exactly as it sat when I got it. It still needs a detail. It still is covered in little micro scratches, and it's covered in pollen and some sap and stuff like that all over pretty much the whole thing. I'm going to have some separate details on that, but interior wise, I literally stripped this whole entire interior out. I washed the carpets, I mold cleaned everything because this thing sat for a really long time, and I got it much nicer smelling. Before, it smelled really musty. It sat definitely for a long time with water in it, and some mold was definitely growing in it. Another thing I did was clean under the hood here. It's since got a little pollen-y again, but once again, this is a huge improvement, and under this hood is way cleaner. It's not covered in mold under here. It's not even really covered in dirt anymore. There's just a little bit of pollen in here, but what a difference this car has seen with all the work that I've put in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, let it warm up for a little bit, and then I'll put the GoPro on my head and we'll take it for its first drive. Starts right up, very nice. While I let this warm up here, you will notice that the top's still not on it. I'm really just too excited to drive the car, so I haven't bothered getting the top on it yet for the first drive. I am gonna take it for a real quick drive around the neighborhood now, get that top on it, do an oil change, and then towards the end of this video, it'll be a real first drive where I'll actually drive it hard, get on it, and really enjoy it. But for now, I'm just itching to drive it at all. All right, guys, we're all set here. This car is warmed up and we are taking it for the first drive. Now, once again, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm literally just gonna go cruise around right now, then take it back, finish up some of the stuff that it still needs, do an oil change, and then we'll be going back out and really enjoying this car. But anyway, this is my first time driving an NB on the road. I just realized I don't have a shift knob. I'm gonna put that on there and then we're gonna go. I could feel that it has a torque, and right there out of the driveway, it actually started to lock because I got a bit of a weird bump there. The brakes have a lot of chatter right now. There's a decent amount of rust buildup. I'm just gonna brake a few times and let them really break in. Hopefully it'll just scale, or hopefully it'll just remove that rust scale, not be too much of a problem, and I won't need to really do anything more with the brakes. I felt right there while I was braking that they were breaking in properly. Yeah, those brakes do feel really bad. Well, it goes. It's a stock Miata. It's not fast, but we're driving it, and that is awesome. Thought I saw smoke coming from the back of the car, but it's just a reflection in the mirror. That gave me a little heart attack right there, but so far so good. It feels good. I could smell just a little bit of something. I don't know, it doesn't smell like necessarily burning, but we'll see. We'll keep driving it and hopefully everything's good. Well, once again, stock Miata, it is slow, but I am having a blast. I am so happy this is on the road. It's been about a month of work to get it to where it is right now, just to clean everything up between working on this car, my other NA Turbo Miata, and then going to work. So, man, I am so happy. This car feels so good. The suspension is so smooth and it's way softer than my other car, which is on coilovers. The clutch feels just so smooth and it's way lighter because it's stock, and everything about it just feels great. It does have a lot of body roll. That's what happens when you're in a stock Miata and you're used to one that's sort of hunkered down like my other one. But wow, I am just very happy. I know I've said that a million times, but Miatas make you happy. I think we might get some tire trip here. Gotta love the Torsen, baby. Beautiful view right there. Beautiful car right here. What a day. All right, so I forgot how long it takes to put a top on a car. So we're actually 2 days after I filmed the first drive video here, but right now we are on our way to Lime Rock Park for some SCCA racing. I got my girlfriend here. We got some McDonald's here, so it should be a good day. The car is feeling really good. I'm still not like absolutely beating on the thing, but we're just cruising out there. It's a beautiful drive. I'll show you a bit of that, and then I'll show you once we get to the track, because there's gonna be tons of Miatas there, tons of other cars there, and I think you guys will really like it. I do think I have some fairly stale gas in here, so once I put some fresh gas in here, it should feel even better. But yeah, right now, I mean, it's a slow Miata, but I love it. It drives so much different than my other car, because this one's all stock suspension, so over bumps, everything feels really nice. The sound system in this is the Bose sound system, and it sounds amazing compared to my other car. Here we are, Lime Rock Park. All right, I'm gonna put the window down so I can pay the lady. Give it some assistance here. Very nice. All right, we're out here on the hill. It's been so long since I've been here, and I'm really happy to be back because I live really close to this place. I used to come like every other weekend or so, and then I haven't been here in like 2 years, so it's good to be back. We're eating our McDonald's. What you got here?
I have a spicy chicken sandwich.
How would you rate that?
It's very good.
And then I got a double cheeseburger because I'm cheap. Also very good though. There she is, all the way up on the hill.
Wow. What do you have to say about this?
This is sweet. Shout out to the owner of this number 55 E30 over here for just letting me and my girlfriend just hop in. Pretty sweet.
I stole it.
Yep, she stole it, made our day.
Yes, she does. Come on.
All right, we just watched 2 classes. The last one was Formula V. That was pretty cool to see the little open-wheeled cars running out here. Next up is Spec Miata. I think it's SM1, and then in 2 races there's SM2. It might be the other way, but 2 classes of Spec Miata. I can't wait. Those guys normally race super hard, so I can't wait to see that. Also, if you want to see me driving up here at Lime Rock, I'm autocrossing the Miatas up here in 2 weeks, so that video will be on the channel soon, but that's going to be on the autocross track, not the big track, but it will be driving in an event with Tommy Effia and the Slip Angle crew, so it should be pretty cool, and I'm very much looking forward to that event. Here we go with the Miatas. All right, with that, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm super happy to be back at Lime Rock here. I'm gonna be even happier when I'm driving these cars. And also, I'm just super happy with the NB. So if you wanna see more Miata content, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you wanna check out these Miata shirts, I have them linked down in the description below, and we hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.
He's also super happy to have spent the day with his girlfriend, but he'd never say it.
Of course, I'm super happy to spend the day with my girlfriend, and I would say it. But with that, that's a wrap.